Well, since we missed church this morning, I'm going to do a little song I wrote about 20 years ago. It's called Cool Rain. There's a place in my heart only you can feel. There's a longing in my soul, and it's too much to read. To me, it still remains a wonder how one man can take all the blame. But I feel that cool rain falling when I call your name. There's a place for me right by your side. So why do I keep holding on to this world and its foolish pride? It still remains a wonder how one man can take all the blame. But I feel that cool rain falling when I call your name. Sometimes this road I'm walking on, it gets so long and hard. I just want to sit down and let it go. But I feel that cool rain falling